Internet computer value equivalent to $12.20 a coin. The present exchange cost range $11.17 $12.79 The earlier day close $12.15 The change was 0.693 to 94%. Converse rate OS to IP dollar to Internet computer gauge for June 2024. In the first place, cost at 0.97 coins. Exorbitant costs on 24, while lows on 97. The found the middle value of costs on 109. The OS to IP gauge toward the month's ends on 116, change for June 19.6%. OS to IP expectation for July 2024. To start with, cost at 0.116 coins. Exorbitant costs are 116, while lows are on 93. The found the middle value of costs are 106. The OS to IP gauge toward the month's ends on 100, change for July 13.8%. Dollar to Internet computer gauge for August 2024. To start with, cost at 0.100 coins. Exorbitant costs on 100, while lows on 81. The found the middle value of cost on 92. The OS to IP figure toward the month's end 0.87, change for August 13%. OS to IP expectation for September 2024. Initially cost at 0.87 coins. Excessive costs 87, while lows on 70. The arrived at the midpoint of costs on 80. The OS to IP figure toward the month's end 75, change for September 13.8%. Dollar to Internet computer figure for October 2024. At the outset, cost at 0.75 coins. Excessive costs are 79, while lows on 69. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 74. The OS to IP conjecture toward the month's end 74, change for October 13%. OS to IP expectation for November 2024. At the outset, cost at 0.74 coins. Excessive costs in 76, while lows are 66. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 72. The OS to IP conjecture toward the month's end 71, change for November 1%. Dollar to Internet computer conjecture for December 2024. Before all else, cost at 0.71 coins. Excessive costs on 74, while lows on 64. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 70. The OS to IP conjecture toward the month's end 0.69, change for December 2.8%. OS to IP expectation for January 2025. Initially cost at 0.69 coins. Excessive costs 0.72, while lows on 63. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 68. The OS to IP figure toward the month's ends 67, change for January 2.9%. Dollar to Internet computer figure for February 2025. Before all else, cost at 0.67 coins. Excessive costs are 69, while lows on 60. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 65. The OS to IP figure toward the month's end 64, change for February 5%. OS to IP expectation for Walk 2025. Before all else, cost at 0.64 coins. Exorbitant costs on 64, while lows on 52. The found the middle value of cost 59. The OS to IP estimate toward the month's ends 55, change for spring 1%. Dollar to Internet computer estimate for April 2025. First and foremost, cost at 0.55 coins. Exorbitant costs 58, while lows on 51. The found the middle value of cost 55. The OS to IP estimate toward the month's ends in 54, change for April 1.8%. OS to IP expectation for May 2025. At the outset, cost at 0.54 coins. Excessive costs in 58, while lows on 50. The arrived at the midpoint of cost on 54. The OS to IP conjecture toward the month's end 0.54, change for May 1%. Dollar to Internet computer conjecture for June 2025. At the outset, cost at 0.54 coins. Excessive costs at 54, while lows are on 43. The arrived at the midpoint of cost are 49. The OS to IP conjecture toward the month's end 0.46, change for June 14.8%. OS to IP expectation for July 2025. Before all else, cost at 0.46 coins. Excessive costs 0.49, while lows on 43. The arrived at the midpoint of cost zone 46. The OS to IP conjecture toward the month's end 0.46, change for July 0%. Dollar to Internet computer conjecture for August 2025. Before all else, cost at 0.46 coins. Excessive cost zone 59, while lows on 46. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.52. The US to IP conjecture toward the month's end 0.55, change for August 19.6%. US to IP expectation for September 2025. To start with cost at 0.55 coins. Exorbitant costs 67, while lows end 55. They found the middle value of cost 0.60. The US to IP estimate toward the month's end 0.63, change for September 14.5%. Dollar to Internet Computer conjecture for October 2025. Before all else cost at 0.63 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.69, while lows end 60. They found the middle value of cost 0.64. The US to IP estimate toward the month's end 0.65, change for October 3.2%. US to IP expectation for November 2025. Before all else cost at 0.65 coins. Excessive costs in 83, while lows in 65. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.73. The US to IP figure toward the month's end zone 77, change for November 18.5%. Dollar to Internet Computer figure for December 2025. First and foremost cost at 0.77 coins. Exorbitant costs 0.77, while lows in 62. They found the middle value of cost 0.71. The US to IP estimate toward the month's end 0.66, change for December 14.3%. US to IP expectation for January 2026. First and foremost cost at 0.66 coins. Exorbitant costs 0.85, while lows on 66. They found the middle value of cost on 74. The US to IT estimate toward the month's end 0.79, change for January 19.7%. Dollar to Internet Computer gauge for February 2026. In the first place cost at 0.79 coins. Exorbitant costs 101, while lows on 79. They found the middle value of cost on 88. The US to IP gauge toward the month's end 0.94, change for February 19%. US to IP expectation for Walk 2026. To start with cost at 0.94 coins. Exorbitant costs 120, while lows 194. They found the middle value of cost 105. The US to IP gauge toward the month's ends on 112, change for spring 19.1%. Dollar to Internet Computer gauge for April 2026. To start with cost at 0.112 coins. Excessive costs are 116, while lows are 101. They arrived at the midpoint of costs or 109. The US to IT figure toward the month's ends are 108, change for April 3.6%. US to IP expectation for May 2026. Before all else cost at 108 coins. Exorbitant costs on 914, while lows on 99. They found the middle value of cost on 107. The US to IP estimate toward the month's end zone 106, change for May